ELIC or Esmeralda Languages, an academic instruction center, is based in the Philippines, offering ESL or English as a second language, and we are now open to accept foreign students to study and to stay or for study and accommodation program. So this is the schedule. Mondays through Fridays, we have this 90 minutes for reading with a specific teacher, expert in this field, 90 minutes writing, 60 minutes speaking, 60 minutes lunchtime, and there is 1 hour for grammar and 90 minutes for watching and listening podcasts or video clips of different English accents. And they will also be given 60 minutes for their library time where they can do their homeworks or research work. So since it is 90 minutes for reading, 20 minutes of it will be used for reading the passage, like for example reading the story of Japan, story of Nigeria, story from different parts of the world. So in this reading course, they will not simply studying English, but they can also learn different cultures from different parts of the world. So it is understandable that all of the students, or not all of the students, can finish reading uh, the passage for 20 minutes. Probably some of the students may exceed their time in doing so, and there are some students probably who can finish it within 15 minutes. So in this area, we would like to develop their reading speed and of course the reading comprehension, because it could be that the 20 minutes, or rather the whole passage, it could be 10% only of the passage the students can understand, or it could be that most of the students can understand 90% or 100% of the reading. So we will be helping the students how to develop their reading comprehension and their reading speed. Another 10 minutes for taking notes of words, English expressions, or vocabulary, and then 10 minutes for comprehension check. It's because there would be questions that followed, and 10 minutes for looking up of words in the dictionary. So here students will be trained to do that. And of course, for this reading time, this is their very chance to study or to add their word bank. Okay, they will be taking down notes of all those precious words to their separate notes, where later they can use the words or English expressions for their project, like writing of stories, scrapbook. So they will be also trained to do that, so that at the end of the whole course, of the entire course, they might have this scrapbook, they will have this storybook. So that's really a brilliant idea for them. Another is the 30 minutes checking or the discussion time. Then there would be writing for 90 minutes. So 30 minutes will be used to discuss the tips and the ideas how to write. The topics could be from the reading, or there are times or sessions where there are choices of topics. It depends on the interest of the students. If the students like sports, traveling, or what, so there are list of choices of writing topics. Another, the writing proper. So everyone will be given 30 minutes, and this 30 minutes, let's see, probably at the start for first day, first week, they can write only like 10 sentences, 15 sentences for 30 minutes. So we are going to develop their thinking skill, okay, and help them construct, okay, sentences and put into writing their ideas and feelings. Another is the reading and checking of works. So here, when they're going to submit their works, it's just one of the activities, because every session their teacher has some activities, different activities, to make each learning fun and engaging. another 60 minutes for speaking. So here, everyone has given the chance to speak. So 10 minutes, of course, preparation. So they will be given topics to speak up. Okay, given topics to talk about, to discuss within their group. Okay, it could be group, small group, 3 or 5 groups, 5 members, and then individual speaking. But here, this is just example for a certain session. It could be the next session is about role play. So that is to boost the confidence of the students. Another is 60 minutes grammar. So for the entire course, there is this outline for, let's say, day 1, particular topic for grammar according to their level. If the group of students is beginner, then the grammar is, of course, for beginner. And if the group is intermediate, of course, the reading passage is for intermediate. And if the students is in advanced level, then their speaking topics or writing topics is for that particular level. So we have here 20 minutes discussion of the grammar, and then 20 minutes recitation. Everyone has the chance to speak up or to recite after the discussion, and 20 minutes there would be quiz to check how much they understood. Then we have this chance. It could be 30 minutes watching video clips of different English accents, and or listening to podcasts, and it could be few clips, okay, like 5 minutes each, and then after that there would be discussion. So everyone is free to discuss, okay, to express their feelings or ideas towards the movies, towards the podcast that they just heard. So it could then after that there would be group works. So this is to make themselves comfortable with each other, to give them chance to express themselves in English. Another, and before the day is over, they will be given 60 minutes to do their library time, that is to do the research work if they have homeworks, and then they will be working with their homework. It could be group and it could be individual, so group meeting if they have this. So everyone, of course, is required to speak English. So like Philippines, although we are in the Philippines, we have expert teachers. Okay, and this is just another way of the course. We have another course that this particular students or group of students, small group of students, they have this teacher, okay, who created or designed already their course for the entire stay in the Philippines. Let's say these students will be staying in the Philippines for 3 months, for 6 months, or for whole year. So we have this another group or another way of course, instead of doing that separate English, writing, rather speaking, reading. So it could be the another option of ESL is the teacher, okay, who has this entire course design for the students. So in this case, you can just communicate with us, contact us for details, and let us know everything is ready, from the house, from the boarding house, okay, to the food and everything. So we're going to prepare that. We know exactly how it works here in the Philippines for the foreigners who want to study and stay in the Philippines.